Well, what is up, Stock Money Nation? We are back, and like always, I'm trying to get your pockets fat. I'm talking about supersized with something extra on the side. This past June was the hottest one on record, and you know the heat wave is going to continue. So I got to bless you with the hot stocks. All you got to do is sit back and listen, and I'm going to provide you with the gasoline to make some green. For anybody that's new to the channel, let me introduce myself. I am Stock Money Asten. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me today because time is precious, so big ups to you. Now that you're here, consider yourself part of the family and I'm going to treat you just like it. You are now a citizen of Stock Money Nation. The goal here is to make money every day and keep those profits coming in. So let me be your guide to Wall Street and help you get in on some of these wins. Trading and investing is my passion. I've been doing it for a long time and I want to share my knowledge and experience with you so that I can help you get to where you want to be. Anything is possible, but you got to put in the work. And since you're here, I can see you're willing to get it done. My job is to find fantastic stocks at great prices to get in at, and then I share them with you. It doesn't matter if you're a trader or an investor, I got you. I'm gonna take care of you and help you out because that's what I do. If you don't know the format, let me break it down to you. In this video, we'll be doing three things. First, we'll look at how the overall market finished on Friday so we can get a wrap up for the week and stay in tune with what's going on. Second, we'll check out my stock picks from the last video and see how they did, and also we can plan ahead if we need to. And third, I'm gonna give you my 3 hot stocks for Monday so that you know what to look forward to get the bag, baby. So listen up and get your coins ready because I want you to be on the all-star team so that you can be a part of this. So let's go. Man, what a way to end the week. We've been setting records almost every day and we finished strong. All 3 of the major indices finished up Friday more than a little bit. The Dow Jones was up about 1.25%. The S&P 500 was up a little bit over 1%, and the NASDAQ was up almost 1%. Again, this was another 52-week high for the S&P. Yo, at this point, I'm starting to feel like I'm on a roller coaster that's slowly going up, 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 up. We are so high in the sky right now, it's starting to get scary because when that drop comes, which it eventually will, ooh-wee. And if we do the same thing next week, that's gonna blow my mind. Now, checking out the picks from my last video, the first one was Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. This one finished up Friday a little bit over 3%, or up $6.09 to finish the day at $205.94. The intraday low was $201.50. and the intraday high was $207.27. Now this one did pretty much skyrocket throughout the day and the lows came in early in the day, but it didn't really provide any weakness or a chance to get in on this one. If you wanted to get in on this one at the best price, you had to buy shares in the post market Thursday evening when I dropped my last video. Had you bought in anyway, you still could have made money off this one. But since it was never down and I don't like to chase stocks, I wasn't able to be a part of this. But to anyone who was successful in making profits, congratulations to you. If you want access to the pre and post market, consider signing up for Webull and check out my link in the description below. Now proceeding on to another one of my previous picks was Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. Beyond finished the day up about 0.75% or up $1.09 to finish at $140.32. The intraday low was $138.20 and the intraday high was $141.85. Now this one did provide you with some weakness and a chance to get in at the beginning of the day, but you had to be quick about it. If you were undecisive or not paying attention, you probably missed your opportunity. I was able to grab some shares and I'm glad I did because this one slowly rose throughout the day to provide me with that quick payoff that I'm always looking for. Hopefully you got in on this, but if not, there's always next time. And my final pick from my last vid was Corsair Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR. This one finished the day up almost 2% or up 57 cents to finish at $31.73. The intraday low was $30.85 and the intraday high was $31.90. If you look at the chart, this one pretty much had the same story as my last pick. It provided you with an opportunity to pick up some shares at the beginning of the day and then it proceeded upwards for the remainder. You had to be ready to pounce when the market opened, and if fear was holding you back, you missed out on this one. I was able to pick up some shares near the open, not quite as many as I would have liked, but since it went up, I'm very appreciative of this one. If you were able to get in on this one, kudos to you. But if not, like I say, there's always tomorrow. Opportunities present themselves all the time, and I'm gonna keep pointing them out to you. With that said, let's take a look at what we should keep our eye on Monday. My number 1 stock pick is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla manufactures and sells electric vehicles throughout the world as well as energy storage units. They've been dominating here in the US and are starting to do the same thing internationally. They do have some stiff competition on the way, but as for now, they're still in the lead and they're still growing. Looking at the chart, Tesla finished up Friday a little bit over 0.5%, or up $4.14 to end at $656.95. Now, while most technology stocks are either hitting new all-time highs or close to it, Tesla is actually far off from its high. That's why I chose this stock, because a severe discount is already built into it, and if I can pick it up on weakness, I think I can make some profits relatively quickly, and this one has the potential to go up a lot. Tesla stock was explosive last year, but for the last 6 months it's been kind of underwhelming, and since their business model has done nothing but improve over that time, I still have faith in this company. Remember everyone, always do your due diligence so that before you invest in a company, you understand it, and then based on your research, you can decide if it's right for you. And now my number 2 pick is Wynn Resorts, ticker symbol WYNN. Wynn operates casinos and resorts here in America and also in China. Even though Steve Wynn is not a part of this company anymore, he built a monster. With the economic recovery that's going on worldwide, this baby is set up to win. Pun intended. Looking at the chart, Wynn was up almost 2%, or up $2.21 to finish on Friday at $113.87. This stock has been tumbling the last few weeks, so if I can pick this one up on weakness Monday, I'll be looking to get in at almost any price. I believe the bounce back in this business will be serious because the Vegas Strip is hot right now, and I believe it's just going to continue. So if I can get this one at bargain prices, I'm more than glad to do that. Right now it's almost a steal, and if I can get this even lower, that's even better for me. And my number 3 pick for tomorrow is XPeng, ticker symbol XPEV. XPeng manufactures and sells smart electric cars in China. They're not the number 1 player, but they have some of the most sleek designs. And when it comes to cars, the aesthetic or look is very important. Looking at the chart, XPeng kind of went against the trend. It was down almost 0.25%, or down 8 cents to finish the day at $39.92. This one, along with several other Chinese companies, got smacked this past week, and if it continues to go down, I'll be looking to buy in on this one on weakness. Now there could be a lot more downside ahead, so before you jump in, you really need to decide if this one is for you. I don't know how long the cloud of upcoming Chinese regulations will be over our head, but once it blows over, this one should see a nice recovery. So I want to get in now when I'm getting a fair price and a substantial upside potential. As always, I want to cash in as quickly as possible, and this one may give me that chance. So I'll be watching this one closely. Remember family, I am not a financial advisor and I do not know the future. Everything I present to you should be used for educational purposes only and taken as my own opinion. None of this should be considered financial advice. Now that that's out the way, you know what to keep an eye on tomorrow. I want to get you paid in the shade, so be ready to show up and show out and represent for Stock Money Nation. And guys, make sure you hit that like button if anything I said resonates with you, or if I helped you make some money, or even if you're in the learning process. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna win day in and day out, and I want you to get this bread. Definitely tap that notification bell, because most of the players are time sensitive and you want to get in ASAP. I mean, that's the point of this. I want you to make money daily. I want you to stack your wins, fam, so you can build that mountain, and then you can take off like an eagle into the sunset. If you want to show your boy some love, leave a comment, and if you got questions, don't be shy. Let me know and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can, because that's what I'm here for. I want to shine some light in the darkness so that you can conquer Wall Street. I don't want you to just invest. I want you to take charge. I don't want you on the bench. I want you to dominate the game. I'm here to help you learn and coach you through the storm, because getting wins under your belt is easier than you think. So I'm gonna keep it simple, and I want to keep you in the green. I want you making money day in and day out so that you can improve your own life and also the ones of those around you, because we got to share the love, baby. With that said, I think you're ready for the week ahead. Believe in yourself and just know you are beautiful, somebody thinks you're special, and I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.